On June 19th, the Karnataka government decided to increase the reservation for minority communities in its housing schemes from 10% to 15%. The move is aimed at benefiting people from the Jain, Christian, and Muslim communities. After a cabinet meeting, Law and Parliamentary Affairs Minister H.K. Patil informed that the decision applies to housing schemes run by the Housing Department in both urban and rural areas. He explained that the change was made after noticing a large number of homeless people among minority groups.
We are very particular that all should get housing. Housing for all is to be implemented. And right now we see that houseless are more in various downtrodden and minorities. We have increased the housing reservation from 10 to 15, looking at the ground realities.
So any demand of the cabinet ministers is increasing?
Yeah, this is what was the demand of every...
Specific community that Jamir Ahmad has requested?
No, it is not just Jamir Ahmad. It is question of government. Government is very particular that those houseless, whichever community they belong, all should get. Housing for all is our slogan. ವಸತಿ ರಹಿತರಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಮನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಮ್ಮ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ we have come out with this decision and this is the resolve of the government.
Housing Minister Zamir Ahmed Khan supported the proposal to raise the reservation limit. Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar also defended the decision, saying that many minorities live in urban areas and face housing issues. He pointed out that some housing units remain unoccupied and said that minorities are more likely to take up these vacant homes. As an example, he mentioned towns like Mandya, where several towers built under housing schemes are still empty. Moreover, the government had recently extended similar quota benefits for minorities in contract work as well.
See, you have to go by the population, no? When there is no population, how can you go? There is a lot of urban population and minorities are there. A lot of poor people are there. That is why we decided to that to them.
Basically, the ratio of population is increasing.
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಒಂಚೂರು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇಳಿಸಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಬೇರೆಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು urban population, housing have been vacant. Others we could not do. So ultimately they requested from 10%,
ನೀವು ಅಷ್ಟು ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ.
You know, in every town, in some places there are 30%, 20%. Section of the society is there. So we decided that to add some more. In Bangalore also, I don't know whether you know, there are so many houses still that are vacant, home to give. That is a big problem. We have constructed and we have not given. They are not occupied. We just try in Mandya. On the left side, there are more than about 7, 8, 9 towers. No one has gone there. At least minorities are ready to go and occupy those buildings for 5, 6, 7 years. So the proposal and
However, the decision has faced criticism from the Karnataka BJP. Union Minister Prahlad Joshi expressed strong opposition, calling it a clear violation of Supreme Court rulings which have stated that reservations should not be based on religion.
आज जो कर्नाटक सरकार ने जो निर्णय लिया है, रिलीजन आधारित, धर्म आधारित अन्य जो वस्ती योजना है, हाउसिंग प्रोजेक्ट स्कीम्स, उस स्कीम में 15% रिजर्वेशन मुसलमानों को दिया है. बार बार सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने ये फैसला सुनाया है कि धर्म आधारित रिलीजन बेस्ड रिजर्वेशन इन एनी फॉर्म इट इज इलीगल, इट इज एंटी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल. ये गैर संविधानीय है और संविधान विरोधी भी है.